Good morning, dear student. In our grammar, our 8th lesson name is degree of comparison. We noted adjective added something in the meaning of a noun and pronoun, and we have to write adjective before noun and pronoun. And here in a degree of comparison, we noted we can compare here noun or things with other noun or things here. But here the changing here, like we change positive into comparative and comparative into superlative here. So for that we have to change adjective also here. So how we change here the adjective? So we have the list. We see here some adjective with comparison here, like positive is given in first column, then comparative, then superlative given here. So how we have to change? Suppose young is there, so young change into younger in a comparative, and younger change into youngest in a superlative here. It means we have to added er for the comparative, and we have to added est. We have to added est in a positive young adjective, so we can frame here superlative adjective here. Another adjective is given here, like we can say that tall in a positive given, then we added er, taller for the comparative, then tallest we have to added est in a positive, and we can make tallest for the superlative degree here. Then cheap change into cheaper, then cheapest in a superlative degree here. Neat we have to added er and as a sufficient here. Then neat change into neater, then neater change into neatest in a superlative degree. Then cool change into cooler and coolest in a superlative degree here. Then hot, here given here hot. Suppose last letter is consonant, and before consonant we have the vowel O. Last word is consonant, and before consonant we have vowel, so we have to double the last consonant here. So during the time of comparative we have to add a double T after hot. So here our answer is hot change into hotter. Then after we have to added er. So last letter T is double here. So hot change into hotter. And once again here in superlative we have to added double T here after hot. So hot change into hottest. Then after we have to added est in a superlative degree here. Then good change into better, and better change into best in a superlative degree here. Low we have to added er for the comparative, lower, then est for the superlative here, lowest here. Smart we are added here smarter, er for the comparative and est for the superlative here. Then long, here given here long. So long change here, longer we have to added er, then longest for the superlative here. Then short change into shorter for the comparative and shortest for the superlative here. High in positive, higher for the comparative, then highest for the superlative here. Sweet change into sweeter, we have to added er for the comparative, then est for the superlative, sweetest here. Fast change into faster, we have to added er for the comparative, est for the superlative, fastest here. Once again big, here the last letter is consonant, and before consonant I is given here vowel, so we have to double G here. The last consonant occur here double here, so big change into double G. Then after we have to added er for the comparative, big change into bigger. Then once again in superlative we have to double G, and then after we have to added est for the superlative, biggest here. Then once again it is given here beautiful. We can say that here when we have the two syllable, when we have two syllable, on that times we have to added more before positive and most before superlative adjective, like beauty and full. There is two parts here. We have the two different word beauty and full. When we joining these two syllable, two noun, then we have one single word, that is beautiful. So here we have the two syllable beauty and full. On that time, whatever we have the adjective has two syllable, on that time we have to added more for the comparative. Then after we have to write beautiful, then most before superlative, then we have to added beautiful word. Same as here dangerous, that is danger and us, we have the two syllable. So here we have to added more dangerous and most dangerous here. Then intelligent, here we have also uh, two syllable intelligent. So here more intelligent for the comparative and most intelligent for the superlative. Then hand and some, we have two syllable hand and some, both have the different meaning. Hand also different meaning and some also different meaning, but when we combine these two words, so we have the another word, that is handsome. So on that time two syllable, on that time we have to add it more for the comparative, more handsome, and most for the superlative here. Then interesting also have the two syllable, so we have to add it more interesting and most interesting here. Then heavy, last word is why, so we have to remove why. Instead of y we have to do the I, and we have to added er for the comparative heavier. Then here once again y change into I, and then after we have to added est for the superlative here. Then wide change into, if e is already given in a positive degree, so we have to added only r, wide change into wider. Then e is already given here, for the superlative we have to added st, it means widest here. Then bright is given here, what is given, bright, so bright change into brighter, here we have to edit, then bright change into brightest for the superlative here. Then clever is given here, so clever change into cleverer, here we have to edit for the comparative, and est for the est we have to edit for the superlative degree here. Then once again fat is given, last letter is consonant, and before consonant a vowel is given, so we have to double t here, last consonant is double here for the comparative here. Then we have to added er, it means fat change into fatter, once again we have to double t, and then after we have to added est for the fattest for the superlative degree here. Then thin, n is consonant and I is vowel given here, so last consonant is there, I vowel before n, so we have to last letter n is double here for the comparative, then after added er, so thin change into thinner, and once again here double n, then after we have to added est for the superlative here. Then y is given, lovely, y is given, so y we have to remove y, we have to added I, then we have to added er for the comparative. Then once again for the superlative we have to change I change in y change into I, and we have to edit est for the superlative degree here. Then here some comparison given here, like we can say that for the positive, like good is given, so good change it to better, and best for the superlative here. Then bed is given, so bed change it to worse, and worse change it to worse for the superlative here. Then much is given or many is given, much change into more, then most here, same as here many change into more in comparative, and most change into superlative. So we can say that much more most, many more most. Then old is given, old in a age, suppose it is age wise we say that, that is old, so old change into elder, my elder brother, we can say that. Then eldest, that is superlative here. Then old, that is long years ago, that is long, old, that is old change into older, and oldest, oldest for the superlative degree here. So here we learn here adjective, and how we have changed positive adjective into comparative and superlative adjective here with the example here. Okay, thank you.